Yeah.
So,
Good. So, how's the chef life treating you thus far?
the chef life is so magical.
Yeah.
It's so magical because I get to do what I love to do all day. And also not only that, but you know, I'm not cooking just any old type of food. This is food that's very nourishing and it's healing, and it's not, you know, I'm not fixing chicken and steak. It's chickpeas and lentils and things that help people to really thrive.
Yeah.
So it has a lot of meaning in that way, as far as being able to help people. And then I just love like what you're doing right now, where you're eating it and you're like, yo, this is so good. That's the best part to me, is being able to plate the food, serve it to you, and then see that you enjoy it. So chef life, obviously I wouldn't be doing anything else. Like, this is what I love to do.
I hear that.